Good morning, traders. Welcome back to Pickability FX. So this is a market structure analysis from the basis. So from our normal class, free market, free forex trading, you know, free forex trading class. We had concept one the last time. So this is the second part of it. Concept two, simple candle colors and the candle close open. Remember, from forex trading, you have to understand the basics in the just in the boxing. I'm using boxing as an example. In boxing, the basics are your defense, your leg work, your jabbing, and all of that. Even if you become a professional, all those things are important. So in forex trading, you have to understand the basics, the swings, the color of the candles, the pullback, how to identify valid pullback. We are still going to get into that. Okay, without wasting our time, let's dive into the what we have today. Concept two: simple candle colors and candle close open. Okay, so I'm going to take this as a bullish candle, starting with a bullish candle. Okay, bullish candle. Now let me have this as weak. Let me have this as the weak. Yeah. Then I'm going to have another candle here as the bearish candle. As the bearish candle. Let me take that again. I think this one is better now. The bearish candle. Now let me have this as the weak. I'm having this as the weak. Now let's quickly label it out. Let's quickly label it out. So this is high of the candle. This is a closing of the bullish candle. This is the body of the bullish candle. This is the opening. This is the opening of the bullish candle, and this is the low of the bullish candle. I think that's nice. Let's label this out. The bearish candle. This is the high. This is the high of the bearish candle, and this is the opening. This is the opening of the bearish candle, and this is the body, and this is the body of the bearish candle. This is the body of the bearish candle, and this is the close. This is the closing of the bearish candle, and this is the low of the bearish candle. Okay, now great. So right here we have a bullish candle. Okay, right here we have the bullish candle, and right here we have the bearish candle here. Right here we have the bearish candle here. Bearish candle. Right here we have the bearish candle. Sorry. So what do we have to learn from here? Okay. So when we have a bullish candle, okay, bullish candle open from the bottom right here, okay, create a low right here. Why? How did this low been created? Okay, when buyers came into the market, they opened the market from here, intending to go up, okay, but the sellers came in and pushed the price back to this low, but eventually the buyers are much in number than the sellers. So the buyers push it back way up. So countering the sellers here, thereby creating this week. Okay, this week from here to here. So eventually the buyers won and creating this whole body. See this whole body. So that's why you see only buyers in this whole body, only buyers in this whole body. Okay. So they keep pushing, buyers keep pushing, they keep to this high. Okay, but eventually we still have little number of sellers in the market. The sellers push it back way down here, and they concluded the tug of war here. So the price closes here. So the candle closes here. Are you getting me? So at the end of the day, in percentage, buyers won this contest. Okay, so that's why how we have this bullish candle. Okay, so let's come to the bearish candle here in the bearish candle. Okay, bearish candle open at the top here. Okay, because we have some buyers in the market. Okay, so the buyers push, they intend to push the market, they intend to push price up. But because we have a large number of sellers, way more than the buyers, so the price was pushed way back down, countering the buyers here. So from here to here, week is being created because the sellers counter the buyers. Okay, so the resellers are now here. The resellers are now in the body here where we have no buyers. Okay, so eventually as the sellers are pushing way back to this low, okay, because we still have some buyers in the market, so they intend to push back the market back up, but eventually the sellers won. Okay, the sellers resisted it, so that's why how we have this closing here. So this is just the simple uh, analogy about candle. Okay, all you just have to know you can see why the bullish candle opens at the bottom here, it closes at the top, but the bearish open at the top and closes at the bottom here. So let's go to the ray chart now and see how it goes. So before we go to the ray chart, okay, let's correlate these candles with time frame. Okay, if single time frame, if you have your chart on 4 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, okay, this single candle printed for 4 hour. That is just the meaning. If you have your chart on daily time frame, this single candle, okay, printed for 1 day. If you have this, if you have your chart on the 15 minute, 5 minute, 30 minute time frame, or 1 hour time frame, okay, it simply means that this single candle, this single candle here, this single candle right here, printed for 50 minutes, printed for 5 minutes or 30 minutes from this low to this high. Okay, and as a matter of fact, if you have your chart on monthly time frame, okay, single candle there printed for 1 month from this low to this high right here. Okay, that's just a simple thing. So irrespective of the time frame you have your chart on, okay, single candle there represent the time frame. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's go to the real chart now. Now we have the real chart here. Okay, now we have the real chart here. Now this is a good. This is good. Okay, this is good. So this is a 1 hour. Let's go to 4 hours now. Let's go to 4 hours. Let me zoom in so that you can see clearly. Let's choose one or two candles for more explanation. Okay, let's choose one or two candles. I want to have a good candle with which okay, very good. See, let's okay, this candle right here, this big candle right here. So we have a wick at the top here and we have a wick below. Okay, this candle printed for 4 hours because we are on 4 hour time frame. Okay, we're on 4 hour time frame. So every single candle is printed for 4 hours. Every single one printed for 4 hours. Every single one printed for 4 hours. So this particular candle now, as a bullish candle, this bullish candle open here. Okay, the sellers push it way down, but the buyers are much in number than the sellers. They push it back up, push it back up, way up here. There are still some sellers came in, they push it back way down here, but eventually closes here. So that's how we have a bullish candle here. So let's look for a bearish candle. Okay, a bearish candle. I'm looking for a better example with a wick at the top, wick below. So this one is a good example. Okay, like I told you, a bearish candle opens at the top, opens at the top. So this particular candle now is a 4 hour candle. Okay, so it simply means this simple candle printed for 4 hours. Okay, from the low to the top. So like I said, bearish candle opens at the top here, at the top of the body here. But because we have some little buyers in the market, they tend to push it way up here. Okay, but eventually, because we have more sellers in the market more than the buyers at this moment, remember, so they push it way down. So the sellers push it way down and keep pushing up to this low. Okay, we still have of course we still have a little number of buyers. Okay, so those buyers push it back up, but because the sellers resisted it, they couldn't push way up to this level or keep going. So the sellers eventually resisted the buyers here. So that's how we have this nice big bearish candle. Okay, so that is that on that. So every single candle here. So if you have a like this one, if you have a one single 4 hours, okay, if you go to 30-minute time frame, two 30-minute candle equals to 1 hour. Okay, so that means four 1 hour candles equals to 4 hour candle, which means if you open single, in a single 4 hour candle like this, you are definitely going to have an 30-minute candle inside. Okay, so for instance, let's take one of these candle as an example, this 4 hour candle as an example. Okay, this 4 hour candle as an example here. Oh, let me change this and use the shadow. You can see, for instance, we have this 4 hour candle here. Now let's go to 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Okay, I think that candle must be held to identify. Let's go to this current 4 hour. This current 4 hour, or this one. Okay, now we have this. So let's go to 30 minutes. Currently, we have this 30-minute time frame candle printing right now. Okay, so this is a 30 minutes, 30 minutes, making 1 hour, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, making another 1 hour, that's 2 hours, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, making another 1 hour, that's 3 minutes. Yes, 3 hour rather, another 30 minutes, 30 minutes, making 4 hour. Okay, so right now, all of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candles is equal to just single candle on 4 hour, because this is 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes. Okay, if you add up everything, it's equal to 4 hour. It's equal to 4. It's equal to this only single candle there. Are you getting it? So far so good. That is a simple explanation about a candle on their color. Okay, in relation with time frame and all. If there's any other thing we are going to learn on candles, then it starts to be candle patterns, which is under technical analysis. Okay, you are getting there gradually. Are you getting it? So candle patterns involves a series of different candles like doji, like engulfing candle patterns, like arami, like what is it called, ama, and so on and so forth. Are you getting it? So far so good. We've been able to understand the highs, the body, the closing and opening of a candle. As simple as that. Okay. So if you are a new beginner here, these are the things you should know. Okay. You can't skip them. These are basics. If you skip them, it's going to cause a problem in future. Are you getting it? Just keep learning. Okay. As you are going, just go with us until we get to the technical analysis where you won't have problem again because you start from the basic. Thank you for joining this channel again. God bless you and God bless you more. So in our next concept, that'll be concept 3. You'll review that, then we'll keep going on. Okay, I wish you success in your forest journey. Bye.